Hey everybody, so I have another guess what's in the box video. It's a small, kind of large, medium-sized box. It's not that big. It's from Acme Tools, so please stick around. Check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so I have another guess what's in the box video. We're just gonna measure it. I'm 100% positive the item in here is like 5 times smaller than the box. This is a pipeline item. I have 2 pipeline items coming. One of them, they were all purchased at the same time, but one of them shipped like 5 days later when I was told it was going to be 2 to 3 weeks later. And then the other 3 items are actually pre-order for beginning to the end of December. So this box is 11 5/8 wide. By 11 7/8 long by 9 3/4 inch tall. When you pick it up, it's extremely light. When you pick it up, you can hear that it's bouncing around. Sounds like there's packaging in it, wrapping in it, or filler in it. But what do you guys think is in this box? I can tell you it is a pipeline item, which means it's a Milwaukee item. I have several of them that I'm waiting to get. I'm also waiting to get the Milwaukee new 6,000 lumen 3-head rocket light kit with the bag and the battery and everything like that. I'm waiting for that to come in as well. But what do you guys think is in here? It's a light. I will give you that hint. It is a light. Should be pretty easy to figure out if you guys are playing along. If you've seen any of the live events I've done for Milwaukee for pipeline, probably be an easy guess. It's a light, but it's actually not an easy guess because they've came out with like probably 5 or 10 lights. But I do appreciate you guys playing along and having fun with me. We will get this unboxed on a different video, and thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And at the very top of the description below, I do have an Also Tools link. If you guys click on that link, it will give you 10% off of your guys' order at alsotools.com. It also kicks me back a 10% availability on my next purchase at Also Tools. If you guys need any organization or some hand tools, go give them a look and see if there's anything that they do have that might help you, and save some money while you're at it. And I appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!